So I'm going to bring you along on a bit of a clean up and a tidy up on the old faithful VYSS. We've had it for a while, it's still registered, and we've let it go in the garage. We haven't been using it. The transmission has got a gearbox full of neutrals. It needs a new transmission. Anyway, I'll show it to you, and I'll show you what we need doing. Here we go. It's a mess. So the first thing we need to do is fix up the work area. As you can see already, it's quite bad, with one side of the garage being dedicated to home brew, a bit of brewing gear. The other side dedicated to anything else, really. And it's had, my son and myself in here doing what we need. The VYSS is not a bad sort of car, and I have a lot of spare parts for it to bring it back up to spec. Obviously it needs a wash. I've already put new seats in it, standard seats, and this one is the spare seat I'm going to make a computer chair out of. Airbag light, of course. It is the button controllers have stopped working. It's got standard stereo and everything in it, so it's I'm going to go with a clock spring for that one, and some bits and pieces. It's time to get it out. Got some spare standard mags here. I'm ashamed of it, to be honest. Let me just sit you up here. So, we live reasonably close to the Barbagallo Raceway, or Carco Raceway, and my son and I, we like to take it when we can and drive the wheels off it. So we're going to put a transmission in it, but we're going to put the standard 4L60E back in it. While it's out, we'll do the rear main. There's a lot of front end bushes that need replacing in it. I've done the front hubs and the sway bar links and stuff that needed doing desperately, because we used to drive it all the time. It's the roof lining in it's top notch. Now the seats, the driver's seat, I found a really good pair on Marketplace and had to have them there and then. So I'll open it up. I don't know if you can see, the seats are actually in fantastic condition. Normally they are torn. I mean, they are a little bit grubby, but the car's old. Give me a break. But yeah, roof linings come up well. It's the standard one, I'm led to believe. Over on the shelf, I've got new headlights, new tail lights, new spotlights, a couple of gaskets that I need. That's the back seat. I shampooed it and I've left it out drying, obviously, and it's just stayed out because the other back seat had cigarette burns in it, which was lovely. So it has got needs a bit of love. Everything's standard on it. Everything's standard on it. I am going to pull the tint off and put some lighter tint on it. I don't want my son getting harassed by the police too heavily. You know, they are going to pick on it because it's a P-plater with a V8. I've got to even find out the laws for the V8s in Western Australia. We're in Perth. If you know, let me know. But anyway, we're not selling it. I don't don't flip cars. I don't buy them, fix them, sell them. I'm just going to fix it up. It's going to be respectable, and it's going to be a little bit of fun. There's a few things we can do to, you know, with the diff and the transmission, and a few sneaky engine mods that don't, you know, won't you know, create havoc with the police for us. The work area is embarrassing. This has got out of hand, but just with the weather's been so rubbish, and then I've ended up with way more brew stuff. Ended up with way more brewing stuff. The garage is not very big. We've just built the house, and it's a little bit rubbish, but we'll take you along. You can, if you're into cars and want to see how it goes, keep half an eye on it, by all means. I don't know it all, and I'd like to know it all. I don't know it all, but we'll I'll get you guys to see what you think as we're doing things. It's not going to be a how-to channel. I'm not going to tell you how to suck eggs. There's people out there that, you know, and a million videos already of people doing how-to videos and stuff. If you just want to see another car come back to life, check it out. We're about to throw a bit of money at it, and a bit of fun. A couple of quiet drinks while I'm packing up the tools of the afternoon as well. It's been a good car. Engine-wise, it's solid. It has got a rear main, but it is a Commodore. Rear main oil leak, I should say. Every car's got the rear main. Yeah, we love it. It's a good car.